So hi everyone, I am Sumant. So in this video we will discuss what are the steps that you can just follow so that like in order to get an internship in the college. So in the previous video we have just I just explained like what is an internship and what is the advantage of doing an internship. So if you didn't watch that, so I will just give you that in the description. So yeah, and it comes to this video, so like what are the steps that you can just follow to get an internship. So I'll just divide this video into 5 points. So I'll just explain you this briefly in 5 points. So like how you can just approach in order to get an internship. First you have to choose the field which you are interested in, like whether it may be like data science or whether it may be like web development, Android development, like it may be like marketing, right? Whatever it may be the role, first you have to choose the field which you are interested in. So that's the first step. And the second thing is, so learn about that, right? Just learn about that particular skill like which you are interested in. For example, let's say if you are interested in data science, right? So what you can do, you can just take any course and you can just complete that. There are a lot of apps available like right, like Coursera, Udemy, and also you can just go through the free content available in YouTube. So you can just learn that particular skill which you have to which you are interested in. So that's the second thing which I will just recommend you to do. And the third thing is, so after completion of this course, so we'll just get an a theoretical knowledge on that particular field, right? So what you can just do is just do some few projects on that, right? Like it may be like a small project or it may be like an advanced project, it doesn't matter. Just you have to do some projects so that you will just get an practical exposure of that particular skill, right? Of that particular field. For example, let's say I just learned Python, right? I just taken some course and I just learned Python. So what you can just do is, so you can just go through and like you can just do some projects on Python such that you can just get a knowledge, right? So how this Python is useful. So like everyone knows if else or these conditions or these statements in Python, right? So you have to know like how we have to use, like in which situation you have to use. So if you can do the project, so you will just get an overall idea of that. So I will just, in third thing is, I will just recommend you to do some projects on the field which you are interested in. And the fourth thing which I will just recommend you to do is build your portfolio, right? Like you can just, after doing some projects, you can just add that to your resume, right? So you can just develop your resume. Like you can just mention that course which you have done, and you can just mention the projects which you have done. So you can just mention all those things in the resume so that you can just build a better resume, right? So the fourth thing which I just recommend you to do is like build your resume. And the last thing is, yeah, and finally you have to apply for internships, right? So yeah, you can just apply for internship. There are a lot of websites, right? So there are a lot of websites available, so you can just go there and you can just apply for the internships. So these are the 5 steps that I will just recommend you to follow in order to get an internship as a college student. So once again I will just explain you that 5 points briefly. First thing is just choose your field, so which you are interested in. And the second thing is just do some courses on that, just learn that field or skill which you want to do, like which you are interested in. And third thing is do some projects, real world projects. And fourth thing is just build your portfolio, like build your resume, right? And the fifth thing is just apply for the internships. So these are the 5 steps that I will recommend you to do to get an internship as a college student. So these are the steps which I followed, which helped me to land an internship. So I hope these things will help you also to get an internship. So that's all for this video. So I hope you get some value from this video, and in my next video I will just give you the top 5 websites through which you can just apply for the internship, right? So that's all for this video. So if you feel this video is helpful for you, like the video, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And if you haven't, if you have any doubts or if you want to say something, just feel free to comment down below. So that's it, and thanks for watching.